Want to sign into WhatsApp without waiting for an SMS OTP? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is launch open WhatsApp on your device. Now tap on agree and continue. Then on this page, you will have to enter your phone number. So go ahead and do that. Then enter your country code. After that, tap on the next option. Now it's going to ask you if this is the correct number. Tap on yes. Now on this page you have the option of verify another way. If you are not able to receive SMS, then you can choose other options such as voice call or missed call. So as you can see, you have the option of missed call or voice call. You can select whichever you want. If you select voice call, then you will get the code on that voice. If you select missed call, then it will auto verify on the number that you have provided. So go ahead and select whichever is preferred. If you select the voice call option, keep a pen and paper handy, then enter the code as you hear it. After that, enter it back in WhatsApp. Your account will be instantly verified without receiving any OTP code. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.